In this video we are going to talk about the best drone 2020 in this year, which is Holystone HS120D GPS drone. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Built for adventure, the specially designed backpack can carry everything for HS120D, allows you to take this drone anywhere, incredibly convenient for travel and outdoor. 2K UHD 120 degrees FOV adjustable FPV camera, capture high-definition footage, 2048 by 1152p, and directly save to your smartphone, gesture control, pose to the camera. You can take automatically generated photos and videos, share it instantly with friends on social media. Smarter return home, GPS-assisted flight, it can perform automatically return home when the drone lost signal, out of range or low power, never have to worry about flying it away. Follow me, object trace, custom path, the drone can trace and automatically follow you, let you focus on the moment, take a good selfie. Besides, it will fly as you want once you set a unique path. Better flight experience, 3 batteries give you up to 10 minutes immersive flying experience, 250G lightweight yet powerful, save you from FAA registry. Headless mode, altitude mode, and 1 key to takeoff/landing functions make it so easy to operate. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.